Turlock Police.
Hello?
Hi,
Yeah.
how can I help you?
I was wondering if I can get a report. There's a guy just walking around our cars.
Okay, where is this
where I live in
at?
my apartment. It's right here in Turlock, California.
Okay, and do you have you said he was looking into vehicles?
No, yeah, he was, because my neighbor's outside, and then he said he's seen them walking around through the cars. And he's still outside, just checking that he doesn't do anything.
Okay, do you have a description of him? Is he white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
No, let me see. It's because he's wearing a hoodie.
What color hoodie?
Black. And it says, because he sent me a picture of it, and it had like an NFL picture in the hoodie. He looks a little kind of dark.
Some sort of NFL black hoodie?
Yeah.
And can you tell was he wearing pants or shorts?
Yeah. He looks like it's, because on the picture that he sent me, he's wearing all black, like just NFL hoodie and the black pants.
Okay, did you see any weapons or anything like that?
No. I can't really tell on the picture.
Okay, I have the call and we'll send someone to check it out. What was your name? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
32 David and 35 Recluse 1537 on Vermont.
35?
Okay. I copy. Vermont Avenue. There's a male looking into vehicles, wearing a black hoodie that has something to do with the NFL, black pants, no weapons.
35 copy.
36 copy. Southman, what document?
Hey, 35 David, or hey Don, just come here, code 3. He's hiding on the run. Stop! Come here! Hey, come out, do it with your hands up. The dog's on his way. Come out with your hands up. The dog's on his way. Yeah, dude. Put your hands up. 35 at gunpoint. We're facing eastbound. Come here, dude. The dog's on his way. Get your hands up. Get your hands up. What's he doing? Does he have a knife? 35. He has a weapon. I don't know what it is. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. No, dude. Get on the ground. 35 shots fired. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Drop it! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
35. He threw the weapon down. Someone complaining now. Get on the ground, man! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Hey, Donna, you got him? Donna! I'm coming to you! I'm coming to you!
Listen, you move, he will bite you. Do you understand?
Get on your stomach, dude! Get on your stomach! Stay right there! Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Yeah, look, he threw it over there.
Hey, we're just north of my patrol vehicle. Donna's car's in the parking lot. Keep your hand visible, man. Keep your hands visible. Hey, dude, it's very important that you follow our instructions.
I don't give a fuck about this here.
Follow our instructions.
Fuck you.
Who's that behind us? Who's behind us?
I am.
Hey, you wanna go hands on? Hey, Sarge, he dropped the weapon Whatever it is, over here.
Okay, okay. Hey, are you hit, bro? Nope. Okay.
Hey, keep your hand visible.
Alright, we got it.
I got him. I got him.
Where you hit? Where you hit?
35. We
What?
have him in custody.
You don't know? You don't know where you're shot?
No.
You got gloves?
I don't. Let me go grab him. Hey, don't you have gloves? Hey, Don, was this it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Let's get
What do you, Sarge? What do
get
you
your first aid kit out of the
Yep.
car.
Man. Here, dude. It's all this way. Get your hands up. Get your hands up.
Hey, get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Hold up.
What's he doing? Do you have a knife?
I don't know what he has in his hand.
35, get the veteran. Just do it. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. No, dude. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. No. Get on the ground.
Here.
Get on the ground.
Here.
No.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Drop it. Get on the ground.
You throw it. You throw it. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground, man.
Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Hey, Tony, you got him?
Yeah, come to take him. I got work. Come to take him.
Let me do you.
Listen, you move, he will bite you. You understand?
Get on your stomach, dude. Get on your stomach. Stay right there. Hold on. Hey, we're just north the patrol vehicle. Keep your hands visible, man. Keep your hands visible. It is very important that you follow our instructions. I'm going to put it up there too. Follow our instructions.